How to log into your Amex account on the app. So here is a guide to logging into your American Express account on iPhone or iPad. First of all, make sure you have installed Amex app on your device. Once installed, simply launch the app on your device by simply tapping on the open option available there. Now once inside the Amex, you will get to see login option available there. Now all you have to do is tap on the login and navigate to the login section. All you have to do is use the same user ID and password that you set up for American Express online. These are shared between the website and the app. After that, American Express employs two-step verification. If you are logging in from a new or unrecognized device, you will receive a verification code via text or email. Confirm that, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.